Okay, folks, welcome to Pre-US Look Ahead. It's Friday, the 4th of November, and we got NFP out of the US today. So what we're looking for is 200,000 jobs added to non-farm payrolls out of the US. And what have we seen this morning? Well, some comments at a conference. There is a Chinese former government expert, Zheng Guang, tells a conference many new COVID policies will be introduced over the next 5 to 6 months out of the COVID situation in China. So positive note seen on equities as we pushed up into the highs on day on DAX, SPOOs, Dow, de-risking down on the bund this morning. Gold elevated 1.3. And oil as well, obviously taking a big push to the upside. That is the number one bullish catalyst for oil at the moment. Any tones stating that China may look to soften on their policy. So, nothing really but rumors, though. All right, let's look at the markets technically. SPOOs, where are we here? Well, weekly bars. All right, weekly bars here. We can kind of tidy this up a little bit and just really take some of these areas off. But yeah, for me, I really like that we have held above this area here, this trend channel up. Yesterday's lows, we did sell down post FOMC and found supports there really yesterday quite soon actually after the open, and then bid back up. So let's see, can we continue to lift from this touchdown on the lows of the week so far today? NFP, of course, will be a big decider for this. If we have a miss on NFP, for example, less jobs added, is that going to feed into a case for the Fed to kind of, actually provide what the market was looking for, and which was a little bit of softness on the interest rate increase for December, and I think, if we get a nice big beat on NFP today, that may actually be kind of bearish for these equities markets. So let's see. We'll be on live for 12:30 for that one. So yeah, that's really the equities picture. Looking at oil, yeah, it's coming back up to this 2001 low at the 91.30s. And if we just kind of take all this crud off the charts, you can kind of just see that this is kind of, pullback time, loaded up the boats here on the longs, doji there in and around the 78s. And, we're looking to really push up a lot higher here. I think once we get that news out of COVID, or China, I should say, exiting a zero COVID policy stance, that's going to be an absolute ripper for oil to the upside. And it's just a case of waiting for that. But the market does look to want to price it in anyway. There's lots and lots of reasons to be bullish oil here. And obviously this COVID on lockdown potential in China is one of the bigger ones. Okay. So that's it really for oil. Where else? We're seeing nat gas actually pushing to the upside here over the last couple of days. Big gap up, of course, on Friday last as a cold snap is seen to be coming in North America. And, we are bid on up. So target 6.488. Be confident we're going to hit that today. If not pre-US session, already up 4.85%. And the buns, it's tricky. I was looking for longs here in the buns this morning, and then Christine started talking. So we just reversed down to this kind of 137.43s area, which I think is a very strong line in the sand, especially above 137.30s. And I think we can push to 138.36s in today's session. All right, that is it for me for another pre-US look ahead. And listen, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday. All right, cheers.